right, so we're at Shenstone Drive in Dallas. So we're heading over to Eastside Avenue in Dallas, Texas. Please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, turn that notification bell on. And as usual, we're learning about different places in Dallas as we go along. All right, let's go. So this drive is going to be a 13 minutes drive.
In 800 feet, turn left.
So we're heading over to East Side Drive in Dallas from Shenstone Drive here.
Turn left.
It's going to be a 13 minutes drive, and I do hope that you will enjoy the ride. I hope that you will enjoy the view. All right, we're learning about different places as we travel together here in Dallas, Texas. Please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more, and turn that notification bell on, okay? All right, let's go.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto the ramp. Turn right onto the ramp. Then, turn right. Turn right. In a quarter mile, turn left onto the ramp. Use the left lane to take the I-30 West ramp, then merge onto I-30 West.